What's up, y'all? This is Goddess Bill Keys, Priestess of our new tarot, and I am back at it again. Yes, I am. So I am doing the spirit animal of the day. Um, I've been meaning to do some other readings that I know that I've been needing to get out, but I've been super busy. Like, my schedule is like crazy. Um, so I might have to wait the weekend to do it because I know a lot of y'all be waiting on the zodiac reads. So I'm keeping that in consideration. Y'all just be patient with me. Okay. So the animal spirit of the day is the vulture spirit. Nothing is wasted, and it's number 63. So let's see. Okay, page 185. Okay. So, Vulture Spirit, nothing is wasted. Oracle message. What seems hideous has its own beauty, and the recycling and repurposing the vulture does is as important as any other activity in nature that supports the cycle of life. Vulture Spirit's message is that nothing is to be wasted, for nature sees value in everything that exists. What seems rotten and ugly has the potential to be transmuted into something beneficial, and you are reminded that any suffering you have experienced has not gone to waste. Wisdom and understanding that arose from the experience are talismans that will serve you on your journey wherever you go. What is decaying is only changing form and will fertilize seeds you wish to plant, turning that which has passed away into the substance that will support new growth. All that you might wish to deny or discard has value and can be reproduced and reintegrated into the new you that you are becoming and the new life that you are dreaming into being. My bad, y'all. No pain was in vain and no experience was wasted, for you have the power to use it to co-create something far better. This is the miracle in your partnership with Spirit. Protection message. Do you wish you could run away from your past or deny your mistakes? Not so fast, says Vulture Spirit. You have gained something valuable from the experience. Let your grief or anger move through you, and soon your emotions will transform, for you will come to see that you have learned and grown. The alchemy of transformation is a gift from Spirit, so never disown what embarrassed, disappointed, or shamed you. It will soon be a source of great wisdom and strength as you work with the magic that allows miracles to be created out of sadness and beauty to arise from ugliness. Vulture Spirit wants you to know that you embody beauty and that the alchemical transformation of the past is happening already. Hang in there, you are so loved and so much beauty is waiting to come out of all of this. So, that is all that I have for right now. And I will try to get on these readings, these downloads, these different messages, and your zodiac readings as soon as I can. If I can't get nothing out between today and Friday, then I might have to do it on the weekend. Even though that's like kind of like my days where I'm just in here just resting. But I might have to wait then. I'm not really sure. But like I said before, just confirmation. Y'all just bear with me. Let me see. Yeah, that is all I have. So I will see you.